Hello and welcome to 5 Minutes About Pulsar. My name is Enrico Livelli. I am on the streaming team at DataStax and a PMC member of Apache Pulsar project. Today I am going to be showing you exclusive producers on Apache Pulsar. If you want to follow along and you don't have a deployment of Pulsar ready to go, you can go to astra.datastax.com, register streaming, and get a free Pulsar instance up and running in under a minute. If you have any questions about today's video or anything related to Pulsar, you can email us at pulsarquestions@datastax.com. That will reach the team at DataStax that is responsible for Pulsar, and we will be happy to answer any questions you may have. Let's talk about Pulsar Producer modes. In shared mode, multiple producers can publish messages to the topic. In exclusive mode, you have only one producer that can write. Other producers fail to connect. In WaitForExclusive mode, only one producer can write and other producers will be queued on the broker. ExclusiveWithFencing mode is a new mode available in Pulsar 2.11 in which only one producer can write, but if another producer tries to connect, it fences out any active producers on the topic. The default mode is the shared mode, in which multiple producers can write. In this case, we have P1, P2, P3 and P4 that are connected and writing to the topic per system public default test. This is the usual mode for pub/sub and queuing application. In exclusive mode, you have only one producer that can write, and it actually holds a lock on the topic. In this case, we have P1 that is connected and writing. If P2 tries to connect, it fails. But when P1 disconnects, it releases the lock and P2 is able to now publish messages. In WaitForExclusive mode, the behavior is really like the exclusive mode, but let's see how it works. P1 is connected and publishing messages to the topic. P2 and P3 are trying to connect and they are queued on the broker. When P1 disconnects, it releases the lock, and then P2 is able to connect and to publish his messages. Then P3 will be able to connect when P2 releases the lock on the topic. In exclusive mode and in WaitForExclusive mode, producer should release the lock as soon as possible in order to allow other producers to write. There is a fourth mode available in Pulsar 2.11, ExclusiveWithFencing mode. In this mode, only one producer can write to a topic at a time, but when a new producer comes, the previous producer is disconnected. In this example, we have P1 that is publishing messages to the topic. When P3 comes, the broker automatically disconnects the producer 1. The producer 1 won't be able to produce any other messages to the topic. In this case, the lock can be held for longer time even if P3 doesn't need to publish messages, because the other producers will be able to publish messages when needed. I hope you found this video useful. If you did, please click on the like button. That will make it easier for other people to find this video and help get more people using Pulsar. If you would like to try out Astra Streaming, the cloud Pulsar as a service offering from DataStax, you can sign up for a free account at astra.datastax.com, register streaming. If you have any questions or feedback, you can leave a comment below or email us at pulsarquestions@datastax.com. That will go to the Pulsar team here at DataStax. We have lots of Pulsar experts that will be happy to help answer any questions you may have, or help you with any Pulsar problems you may be experiencing. We hope to hear from you. Thanks again for watching this video and have a great day.